There's always been a known link between pH balance and skin health, but accurately measuring pH requires a lot of sweat. This hasn't been easy to do outside of the laboratory. MySkin pH is a breathable, flexible sensor that harnesses microfluidics technology. It's the first time we've been able to measure pH through a wearable. pH imbalance is connected to many skin conditions like eczema, atopic dermatitis, and severe dryness. These conditions affect millions of people around the world today. Now, our dermatology skincare brand, Roche-Posay, has teamed up with Epicor Biosystems, a world leader in wearable tech.
The sensor brings together our expertise in microfluidics technology and their leadership in skincare. The discrete sensor can move an extremely small amount of sweat directly from your skin pores around an intricate network of microchannels to measure pH levels in under 15 minutes. And you can even see it working in real time.
The MySkin app allows you to get measurements of your pH readings. It also educates you on what pH means when it comes to skin health, and it curates for you the best customized routine and products based on that information. Through this technology, we will be able to conduct new research, deepen our knowledge of the link between skin health and pH, and develop better products. At L'Oreal, we're building technologies to help you understand your skin so that you can take better care of it.